Hello, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by and welcome back as well. I am on to share with you my hashtag 10-minute collage flip through. Now this one is from January the 10th 2024 and it ends December the 22nd of 2025. I just love the 10-minute collage. That's when I started. I saw it in the month of January and thought, I really like this. I'd like to join. And from since then, it's been a joy. I had this notebook or journal in my notebook stash, and I thought I will use it. I may put the bigger rings on now that it's come to an end, but I just wanted to test myself and see how far I could stretch it with the original rings on. I want to do a flip through because I want to even see what's inside of it, because half of it I've forgotten what's in there. This was a plain book like this, and I decided to decorate it, embellish it. Really love that. I didn't do the back, but maybe at a later date if I wanted something to do, I can. Let's get started. This one started on the 8th of the 1st, 2025. So this is all 2024. I thought I would do a double page and see how that went. I did like doing the double pages though. Just experimenting with lots of stickers that I have just got in my stash. Another double page. Another double page. I remember this one. I really enjoyed this one. I enjoyed all of them, but you know, some of them are just my little favorites. Another favorite of mine. That one's lovely. Love that. More double pages. Yeah, I just thought I would experiment with the double pages and Could you imagine, all in 10 minutes? It didn't happen. That one's a lovely one as well. Double pages. Another favourite. Another favourite. They did work out really well, the double pages. I enjoyed doing them. Lovely. I wanted to have some white background there. Didn't want to cover up everything. And that is that. Lovely. I really enjoyed that. If you did as well, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Let me know in the comments which was your favourite page or pages. I'd really appreciate it. Look after yourself now, and bye for now.